Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Women often find themselves in an atypical situation when menstruation is late. Have you ever experienced this? Surely you've thought about pregnancy before, haven't you? And how often was pregnancy the cause of your late menstruation? A typical menstrual cycle lasts between 21 and 35 calendar days, but this period can be delayed due to stress, low or high body weight, hormonal contraceptives, and other causes, such as hormonal problems, problems in the female reproductive system, or other causes that need to be investigated. In addition, certain treatments, medications, and lifestyle changes such as stress reduction or exercise can help delay or stop menstruation, depending on the cause. And did you know you can make your period come faster? We'll talk about that in today's video. One of the most popular reasons to regulate your menstrual cycle is to plan for pregnancy. If your period is late, you can rejoice because we've found some effective natural ways to treat irregular and delayed menstruation. Parsley. Parsley has been traditionally used for centuries to induce menstruation. You should take a daily dose of 6 grams of dried parsley leaves, which you can divide into 3 doses of 2 grams each, or boil 150 milliliters of water and add the leaves to it and prepare a delicious tea. If you choose tea, drink it twice a day. Papaya. It's the most effective home remedy there is to regulate your period. According to researchers, papaya stimulates contractions in the uterus and can help trigger your period. The carotene contained in papaya stimulates the hormone estrogen and thus ensures earlier menstruation. In this case, it's recommended to consume a bowl of raw papaya or 200 milliliters of papaya juice twice a day. Aloe vera. Aloe vera juice is often used to relieve stomach pain, but it can also be used to induce menstruation. Cut an aloe vera leaf in half and squeeze out the gel. Remove the yellow part, which is the poisonous part of the plant. Mix the gel with 1 tablespoon of honey and take it before breakfast. If you want, you can also go to a health food store and buy only the aloe vera gel. Pomegranate. The juice of pomegranate seeds is also helpful to trigger your period. Start drinking pure pomegranate juice 3 times a day, at least 10 to 15 days before your regular period. Alternatively, you can mix pomegranate juice with cane juice in a 1-to-1 ratio and drink it 4 times a day. Celery. Drinking celery juice is completely safe, natural, and a doctor-recommended way to induce menstruation prematurely. Fresh celery juice twice a day can stimulate blood flow in the uterus, triggering menstruation. Did you like knowing these natural remedies to induce your menstruation? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.